Hey everyone, today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to turn on the Dark Sidebar in Discord on your PC thanks to the latest update. If you're looking to reduce eye strain or just prefer the sleek look of a darker theme, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's get started. First up, open your Discord application. You can do this either by clicking the Discord icon on your desktop or finding it through your Start menu. Once you're in, keep an eye on the bottom left corner of the window. Here you'll see your username and below it, a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will take you to the User Settings menu. Now that you're in User Settings, look for the option labeled Appearance. This should be listed in the sidebar on your left. Click on it, and you'll see various customization options. Scroll down a bit until you find the Dark Sidebar toggle. This option allows you to enable the darker version of the sidebar, which can make your overall Discord experience more enjoyable, especially in low-light environments. Once you locate the toggle, simply click on it to enable the Dark Sidebar. You'll notice the change immediately, and it should give your Discord a fresh look. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the Dark Sidebar on Discord. Enjoy your newly personalized setup, and don't forget to explore other features in the Appearance menu. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.